welcome back to our channel. Today we're just doing a short video on wiring up 220 for the garage to get the table saw running and the bandsaw. I've already got the cover panel off to the breaker panel, sub panel, and I've already secured power to it. Just double checking with the meter. Safety is always first. Going across both phases, no voltage. So one issue I ran into on this is my breaker panel is full. There's no spare slots. Just to show y'all. So what we're gonna do to fix that, they make these tandem breakers. You pull out one breaker and it's pretty much two mini breakers in one slot. So for the 220, first phase is going to go off of the top breaker. We're just going to call that phase 1. Put that back in. Alright, that one's good. Now the second one. And you can get these tandem breakers at your local big box store. I got these at Home Depot. I think they were $25 each. Would have been nice when they built this house if they would have, put a bigger sub panel in. Another issue I ran into was the main panel on the outside of the house was full. So this was a lot easier. I already had conduit running in the garage for some outlets I added years ago. I just had to run two 12-gauge wires for a 220 receptacle. Now I'm just attaching the ground wire to the ground block. Bend these up out of the way. And that is it. So we removed these two breakers, added in two tandems, phase 1, phase 2, that gives you 220. And now let me swing the camera over and I'll show y'all what's going to be going on next.